Most people install ACF Pro by default, but with Bricks plus WooCommerce, that's not always smart. In this video, I will show you every advanced ACF plus Bricks use cases visually, so you can decide if ACF Pro is actually worth for your store. Bricks already builds full WooCommerce stores, shops, product pages, cart, checkout. No extra plugins needed. So no, ACF Pro is not required. But now let me show you what happens when you do use it. Let's start with the first advanced use case. In this first example, I'm using ACF Pro to build product highlights directly on the WooCommerce product page. Instead of hard-working bullet points inside the product description, I created an ACF repeater field called Product Highlight. Each item has an icon, selector, and a short benefit-driven text. Then, inside Bricks, I'm looping through that repeater using a query loop. And this gives me a full layout control. I can change spacing, typography, icons, or even hide this section entirely if no data exists. Why ACF Pro here? Because this content is structured, repeatable, and marketing driven. Editors don't touch the layout, they only fill in the fields. And if you are enjoying this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I create new WordPress tutorials every week. Now let's move to a more data-driven use case. Product specifications. And here I'm using another ACF repeater, but this time with a label field and a value field. For example, material 100% polyester, fit is regular, and the care is machine wash cold. And this is especially powerful if you plan to reuse specs in comparison tables, in filters, or dynamic blocks later. This is one of my favorite use cases. Instead of global FAQs, I'm creating product-specific FAQs using ACF Pro repeaters. Each FAQ item has a question field and an answer field. And then in Bricks, I loop these into a simple FAQ layout. Now let's talk about something more advanced, conditional rendering. With ACF Pro, I can show or hide sections based on field values. For example, only show care instructions if a checkbox is enabled, only show warranty information for specific products, or hide empty sections automatically. In Bricks, this works beautifully with conditional logic and dynamic data checks. If you want a full video just on conditional logic with Bricks, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. This last use case is less visual but extremely important. And by using ACF Pro, your product data is not tied to a single layout, it's not locked into WooCommerce defaults, and not hard-coded into content. And this means you can redesign the product page later, you can reuse the same data in other templates, and build comparisons, filters, or dynamic listings. So ACF becomes your content infrastructure, and Bricks becomes your presentation layer. And this separation is what makes this setup powerful. So these are 5 real advanced ACF Pro use cases inside the Bricks plus WooCommerce setup. No theory, no demos, actual production logic. If this helps you understand when ACF Pro is worth it, subscribe to the channel because the next videos will go even deeper into dynamic templates, automation, and real-world WordPress systems. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.